Hi friends, my name is TaylorAnne and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I quickly wanted to share some new Archer and Olive goodies that I just picked up for the new year. So I was really pleased and surprised with how quickly everything shipped, especially considering the insanity of the 2020 holiday shipping season, but everything arrived perfectly, very well packaged in these sturdy, beautiful white boxes. So I picked up 2 notebooks and a set of the Acrylograph pens. One notebook is a dot grid with gold gilded edges, the other is a blank sketchbook, and then of course the Acrylograph paint pens. So I'm always kind of really skeptical about things that are so like trendy and have so much hype, but I did fall victim, and I just had to see what all the hype was about for these Archer and Olive journals.
Whoa.
And they did not disappoint, honestly. They're gorgeous.
Wow.
There's something about opening up that white box, lifting up the paper, and pulling out this really quality journal. It's just magical. It was like an early Christmas gift to myself. So I picked up the Moon and Stars with the gold gilding on the edges. It comes with a pen loop, a belly band, a pocket in the back, and 2 bookmarks. One just plain ribbon and one with a little charm on the end. The paper is 160 GSM. There is 160 pages, and it's just so buttery soft and luxurious and thick. And the dot grid I find is not too distracting. Since I had my Prismacolor colored pencils out on my desk, I thought I would just test them out. I always use the last page in my notebooks or my journals as a pen test or a swatch page. And this next journal is gonna look very similar because I got a matching cover design. This one is just blank. It's a plain sketchbook. And it's gorgeous. I love me a, basic black plain sketchbook. The possibilities are endless. So this one is pretty similar. It has a pocket, belly band, pen loop, 160 pages with 160 GSM weight, so they're luxurious and thick and soft. It comes with the same bookmarks. It's just blank instead of dot grid, but you can see that the dot grid is very subtle and not distracting at all. And all the journals have the basic double bookmark, one plain ribbon and one with a little gold ampersand charm on it to distinguish the two. There you can see the pocket in the back, and I thought I would use the last page in this sketchbook to test out these new Acrylograph pens. These are pretty much just paint pens. They're acrylic paint, but in beautiful colors and in these gorgeous fine tip markers. It came beautifully packaged with a blending palette on the packaging and all of the information for these pens. Each set comes with 2 extra nibs just in case yours get like muddy or too blended or broken, and a clear blending pen. I chose the 3mm collection in the jewel tone just because that light pink, that light green, and that navy color are like spot on for my branding for LittleCreativeLife. So with most paint pens, you have to like shake up the paint inside them, and then press down on the nib to activate it and to get the paint to flow down into the tip of the pen. So once I activated all of the pens, I just kind of went in and did some swatches. There may be a little bit of a learning curve with how to lay them down opaquely and layer them on top of each other. But so far, I love them. That mustard color, the light pink, the light green, and the navy, plus that white is so cool for layering on top of other colors. So I'm really excited about this new set. New supplies are always exciting, especially when, they're a little bit of a splurge and kind of luxurious. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video today. Thank you for hanging out with me, and until next time, guys, stay creative.